Divisibility by 7. Rule. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the value of the digit in the ones place, and the number formed by the rest of the digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. For example, 56 is divisible by 7 because 2 times 6 minus 5 is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, which is a multiple of 7. Likewise, 175 is divisible by 7, as 2 times 5 minus 17 is equal to 10 minus 17 equals minus 7, which is also a multiple of 7. On the other hand, 279 is not divisible by 7, as 2 times 9 minus 27 is equal to 18 minus 27 equals minus 9, which is not a multiple of 7. When using a calculator to confirm the results, we obtain 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8, 175 divided by 7 is equal to 25, and 279 divided by 7 is equal to 39.857. That is all for lesson 1.6.7. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.8, Divisibility by 8. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.